Hey everyone, in this video I would like to show you the best websites to learn English for beginners. The first website called Duolingo. This website is actually one of the most popular websites for many other languages, including English of course. I can show you a lesson, for example. This is for the Russian language. As you can see, you start from the beginning, from the alphabet, and you go slowly until the advanced lessons. Okay, as you can see right now, I can't go to the next lesson because I must to complete the previous lessons. As you can see, complete checkpoint 2 to unlock those skills. That means I must to go to level 2 inside this lesson. Okay, and the beauty of this platform actually is that they have a full plan in order to bring you from the starting point until the experts lessons. Okay, that means if you are in those lessons, you are actually become in really high level in the language. In Russian I just learned the basic, that's why I didn't continue with that. Another nice feature is the friends. Here you can see you can add a new friends from the platform and see where are you, okay, and where are your friends. It will give you a motivation to continue to learn and practice. You can also add some daily goal and track your activity for each day. After that, I believe that it can give you the basic. That means, in my opinion, you can't really learn full language without high level of practice. Now, you have two options. Option one is to practice in the platform itself. It's good, it's nice, it's giving you the right tools, but in my opinion, it's really hard to make it for the long run. That's why I prefer to go into websites that I like. For example, if you like programming and you would like to learn Python, so you can go to some websites about Python and read articles, watching video about some subjects that you like. For example, about selling, you can go to some channels and learn about it with, of course, with the English language and without subtitles. So it will be easier in the starting point. Of course, you can use subtitles of English and translate the words that you don't understand. And of course, if you like cooking, go to cooking websites, etc. In this way, in my opinion, you practice in the best way because you like the subject. So it becomes much easier for you to learn for the long run. And in this website, you can learn the grammar rules. That means even if you go to Duolingo and you understand the grammar in general, you must to focus on it more because there are many rules in English and you must to practice it. Actually, in my opinion, most of the people don't really know grammar really well, okay, and I practice it by myself. For example, if you are going to this grammar time, past simple, okay, you can see the test. I hear a new song on the radio. So you need to write the past verb. So I will type I heard, check, and you see that it's correct. Let's say, for example, I don't know how to write it here, so I can click on the show. Okay, it's telling me it's the same word. In my opinion, this is really good for grammar. I practice it by myself and I recommend on it.